Social distancing refers to how we can change our day-to-day life to avoid direct face-to-face contact. It's very important right now with this outbreak that we minimize the opportunities for the virus to spread.
Social distancing works because it helps prevent the spread of the virus. When we cough, when we sneeze, it can travel a certain distance. And so the farther away we are from people, and I think the goal that we're right now suggesting is, around 6 feet to be away from people, allows us to protect ourselves from being exposed.
For me, this falls under the broad heading of let's use common sense. Certainly we're going to try to avoid group meetings, whether that's in synagogues, it's churches, it's community events. I've been telling people 15 or more is too big. There's likely to be somebody with infectious symptoms in that group.
When you're in the supermarket, it's important just to keep a safe distance from people. In religious environments, many people attend services, and we're very close-knit in many of our local communities. Those, unfortunately, right now are not the best places for us to be. So the rabbis, thankfully, they have shown great leadership, and they have realized that we have to take very important, significant measures. What they have decided seems very drastic, but it's completely appropriate. So canceling Saturday services, saying that there won't be bar and bat mitzvahs, saying that we should not go sit in restaurants together for long periods of times and avoid play dates. So in religious obligations, saving a life trumps all other commandments.
In the Asian community, it's common to see people wearing masks during flu season and riding public transportation, for example. Now, rather than focusing on wearing a mask when you're going outside, I think it's more important that people avoid altogether large gatherings.
I know this is unprecedented. I've never seen it. I've never heard of it, but I think it makes sense. And this is the only way to stop it.
The difference between social distancing and quarantine is a matter of degree. When you're under quarantine, your risk is presumably higher. Either you have the virus or you had a high-risk exposure. So quarantine really means you have to stay at home. Social distancing is not as strict. That's for the person that's currently not sick, but again, to protect themselves from getting infected.
This is an opportunity for every resident in our community to be a part of the solution. We literally have the solution in our hands if we are able to do social distancing successfully and prevent the spread of this virus any further. The numbers are going to go up. I'm hoping that they peak very quickly and come right back down. And the only way to do this is for everyone to be on board.